How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. If you're having trouble with the sound during video calls on Facebook Messenger, you're not alone. Today we're going to walk you through simple fixes to solve the Messenger video call sound problem. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we need to check is whether it's a simple setting issue or a deeper technical problem. Let's start with the most common solutions and go from there. Check your phone's volume and mute settings. Sometimes it's as simple as your volume being turned down or your phone being muted. Make sure the volume is turned up on both your phone and within the Messenger app. You can also tap the speaker icon during the call to ensure that it's not muted. Now, simply try restarting the Messenger app on your phone. If you have opened it, simply close like this and reopen the Messenger app. This can help refresh the connection and resolve sound issue. After restarting, open Messenger and simply start a video call and check if the sound has improved. Now, next step is to check your app's permissions. Messenger need permission to access your microphone for sound to work properly during calls. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on apps and go to Messenger. And make sure microphone permission is toggled on. Now, last step is to make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Messenger. Now, if there's an update available, simply update it. And that's it. These are some of the simple steps to fix the sound issues during your video calls on Messenger. Hopefully, one of these methods worked for you and you're back to having clear calls.